We know it's the spooky time of year, but data shouldn't have to be scary for you. Hi, I'm Professor Aragon. Problem that faces students today is that they enter the job market without the analytic skills that they need to succeed. In all aspects of marketing, you're going to encounter data. But don't fear, I'm here to help. I've created a course meant for those of you who are less than confident about working with data. I'm going to empower you with analytic skills so that you're a strong candidate for the job market. In the first half of the course, you will build your skills in analytics through hands-on activities. You'll learn to manage, test, and visualize data into meaningful insights that will help you in your marketing career. And in the second half of the course, I'll teach you about different kinds of metrics that are used in marketing and the business world more generally. So here's what some of my past students have had to say about the course.
She's one of my favorite instructors that I've ever had, and I would 100% recommend her to anyone that needs to take this course.
Overall, I have become a lot more interested in data. I never realized how much data was used in the marketing world, but after taking this class, I found I have a real passion for it.
This class can be difficult, but Professor Aragon teaches it in a way I found enjoyable.
I just know it'll be a good experience for you too, so come join me this spring for Marketing Metrics and Analytics. That's MKTG 4040. We meet on Tuesday and Thursdays. Hope to see you there.